IMS Ghaziabad is one of the oldest institution in the management education in our country, and it got established in 1990. So with a legacy of more than 3 decades, 30 years, this institution is definitely having one single-headed objective, that is creating the leaders for tomorrow. That's what has been our philosophy, which is integrated in every dimension of the institution right from the beginning, whether we talk about the academic quality or we talk about the skill enhancement of the students or whatever is the area. So with a very strong governing body council backing this educational organization, and currently it is being led by the chairman, Shri Naresh Agrawalji. This institution is definitely creating the waves with its best quality in education agenda for the management students for the whole country. That's what is its legacy. We are having PGDM as one of the flagship program, which of course is our prime focus, and we are having currently 360 intake capacity as per AICTE norms in this program. Besides that, we are having PGDM Big Data Analytics also. This program, of course, is having an entirely different focus for creating the expertise in the big data analytics with highly tactical skill enhancement of the students, so that they will be placeable in the market with certain specialized skill sets like the current language of Python, data mining, data visualization. So the focus area is that. So we have intake capacity of 60 currently in this particular program. And one very important USP of this program is that we have tied up with IBM for this program, and they are offering the certification programs in every trimester for the students. So 4 trimesters, we are offering IBM certification to the students in the areas of big data management, data mining, data visualization, and Python. So I'm sure that with this strong integrated set of certifications, this program surely is highly placement oriented program for our students. We are having currently NBA accreditation, which is the highly acclaimed National Board of Accreditation. We have the NAC accreditation and A category in that. And besides that, our institution is also member of AACSB also. So this accreditation is going to be globally accepted once it will get it. Currently, we are in the nascent stage of it, and we are in the second stage. So obviously the first year of membership period is going on, and the second stage of evaluation process is going to get started. So we are very hopeful that we will be fulfilling the rigorous agenda in this accreditation, which is focused on the research and consultancy. Any student who is a graduate in any of the stream is eligible to get admission in our campus with minimum 50% marks. That's the eligibility criteria, plus any entrance examination which is being conducted by the organization like XAT, MAT, CAT, that is being valid in our campus. And besides that, we have highly integrated in-house selection process, which is comprising of group discussion, personal interview, written aptitude test, and overall academics is also given certain weightage, and the qualifying examination also carries the weightage. So based on these parameters, we take the students in our campus, and obviously the ATMA score and XAT and CMAT score also is eligible in our campus. So obviously we have kept the bucket very much open for the students, but final criteria is not only entirely based on the percentile of the students in XAT, CAT or MAT. It is going to be based on the in-house selection criteria, which is being conducted in our campus. And currently we are conducting GDPI online also from the various places across the country. In terms of the gender diversity, our institution is highly privileged to have almost 40% of the girl students and vis-a-vis around 60% male students, which is a very healthy combination and which inculcates the culture of, you can say, coordination in our campus. And besides that, in terms of the educational qualification diversity, we are accepting the candidature of the students starting from BTech programs to the B Pharmacy, BA, BBA, BCom. Even CA candidates are also opting for PGDM program of our campus. So obviously this program is highly driven program in which the academic education qualification, whichever is equivalent to the graduation as per Government of India norms, we are accepting that. And in terms of the diversity in geography, we are accepting, and we are very pleased to share that we are getting the students from across the whole country, starting from the North India, from Punjab, Haryana, and every other belt of the country, including UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, and from the south also, and even from the northeast states. Last year, we have got few candidates. So it is spread across the whole country. In fact, placement is one of the biggest strength of IMS Ghaziabad campus since last 30 years. I must share with my students that this is one area because of which IMS Ghaziabad is having its sustenance since last 30 years. And our focus is on the placement readiness of the students right from the first day they enter in the campus. After all, in this management program, the basic objective of the students and the agenda is to create their career in the corporate sector. So that's why our placement cell, which is being termed as CRC Corporate Resource Center, is engaging with hundreds of companies on day-to-day basis. And it's a 360-degree engagement. It's not only that the final placements, the companies are coming to the campus. In fact, throughout 2 years of duration, the engagement of the companies is there in the campus in terms of corporate expert talk series, the live projects offered to the students by the companies, the research projects given to the students with the help of the companies, and then summer internships and lots of industrial visits which we conduct for the students in the different companies, and then the final placements. And again, in the final placements, we take 100% ownership for the students to offer them opportunities. And it's not the case that only 1 or 2 opportunities are given to the students. Till the time the student is placed, we take it as our own responsibility, and the opportunities are offered to the students. So we have more than 300 companies on our board in which the placement drives are conducted. And till date, more than 25% students are already placed in the current batch. And we are very hopeful that by the end of February, 100% batch will be placed in the different companies. And this particular year, we already have received the packages of in tune of 12.5 lakhs, which the students are availing. And the highest offer which has come to our campus is 16.6 lakhs. But obviously that offer could not be encashed by the students. We are trying again to give them the opportunity. And we have very strong policy that no company with less than 4 lakhs package can enter to our campus. So obviously our median salary is 6.1 lakh, and the highest this year has already touched 12.5, and we are expecting it to go to 16.6 this year. And the companies which already have come to our campus are Amazon, Deloitte, Axis Bank, ICICI, HDFC, and number of other companies. We are targeting on ABP and various other companies in the media and social media platforms, because that's the in thing for the students. And for that, we are offering them specialized trainings also. IMS Ghaziabad campus is one campus which is having the proud possession of the best infrastructure in the market. In its category of the institutions, one of the best infrastructure in terms of the intellectual capital, and then academic infrastructure, and then the facilities for the students, including dedicated hostel with the capacity of 500 students, and then the sports facilities for the students, whatever they wish to engage in, starting from the basketball court. Then they are having the indoor games facilities, badminton court, table tennis court, lawn tennis court, and obviously these for their overall development. That's why we are engaging them into various extracurricular activities. So for that, we are having in our campus MDP rooms, auditoriums, mini auditoriums are there for the students' activities. Then we are having currently 8 computer labs with more than 500 computer sets with the best of the new softwares available. And currently, as the online education is going on and the digitization of the campus has been one of the area in which the focus has been done in our campus, We have created lots of innovations in the campus in terms to give the online education with the ease to the students. So user-friendly platforms have been generated. The learning which will be inculcating the engagement of the students, that has been the focus currently. But of course, we are hoping that the next academic session, we will be starting with the offline mode in which the students can enjoy the best possible infrastructural facilities available in our campus. In fact, we are having a batch strength of currently 360 students, and in this batch, every single student is offered summer internship in the best of the organizations. And it is 100% responsibility of our campus to provide them all the engagements with the corporate. So we give them right from the first trimester the summer internship preparedness training, so that they understand the concept of the summer internship, its significance in their career, and they can take a logistic way that how they have to approach the summer internship. So we are having a buffet of more than 200 companies in which the students are being offered summer internship, starting from Deloitte in the financial and banking sector and in the consultancy sector, Ernst & Young, then MX, American Express is there. In the banking sector, we are having RBS and Axis Bank, HDFC, ICICI. When we talk about the different other sectors like FMCG, we are having Amazon, Amul, ITC, HUL coming to our campus. So we have a complete buffet of the companies. And right from the first day, our concern is that summer internship is responsibility of the institution. So we provide, based on the competence and performance of the students, the categorization of the companies are done and they are offered the opportunities. Obviously, the best performers are offered A+ companies, and based on their performance in the campus, the A and B category companies are offered to them. We have, in fact, a complete buffet of the scholarships offered to the students, not only on the basis of the merit and means. There are so many parameters and the criterion based on which we are offering the scholarships, because we believe that the objective behind offering the scholarship is not only to motivate students, but to facilitate their education also. So we are offering scholarship based on their academic qualification and their percentage of marks in the graduation. We are offering even the scholarship to the Delhi specific students of Delhi University, because our very strong focus area is that we want to have maximum students coming from Delhi NCR region. So we have the special scholarship meant for DU, Jamia Islamia and other universities like JNU, so that the students can be motivated to opt for our campus. Besides that, we are having the sibling scholarships also, in which the students who come with their brothers and sisters, we welcome them. And that's something very positive strength of the campus, that so many of the referrals come for the next forthcoming batches by the existing students. Besides that, we are offering scholarship based on the percentile they receive in CAT, MAT and SDAT score also, so that they can be motivated. I'm sure the students have to accept and digest this hard fact that every student will not get admission in the top 50 institutions of the country. The seats are limited, the aspirants are very much, and the entry criteria is very tough for those institutions. Obviously, we take pride that after that elite category of the institutions, we are catering to that category of the students which are in the masses, which are into the interiors of the country. I must say and appeal to the students that they must come forward for the admissions if they consider that the overall development in terms of the corporate readiness is on their agenda. Our major focus is not only on the knowledge enhancement of the students, it is on the skill development. And for that skill development, we have integrated the whole program of PGDM with 16 value-added certification programs. And I take pride in sharing that there might not be many institutions which are offering so many of the value-added short-term certification programs to the students, including Microsoft certification in Excel. Similarly, Prowess certification. We give the training on SPSS to the students, then the Tally training and various other softwares which the student need for the best performance in the corporate sector. And besides that, lots of customized in-house programs are offered to the students for the development of their skills in different specialization areas. And the Global Talk series is one area in which our institution takes pride. In fact, in last 15 days itself, we already have conducted 3 Global Talk series in association with various experts from the different places, different countries. And the students are getting the advantage of the presence of those people in our campus through online media. Like one of the sessions has been recently conducted on role of IT change and innovation in post-pandemic era, only day before yesterday by the managing director of Morgan Franklin from Washington. And such sessions are highly acclaimed and appreciated by the students because the additional inputs which are given to them for their corporate readiness is unmatchable. So I must say that the students who believe that IIMs and the top institutions are not their cup of tea, they are most welcome to come to IIMS Ghaziabad, I'm sure. And we take pride in offering them best of the opportunities and 2 years of experience of hostel life, experience of campus life, which definitely is going to become a cherished memory tomorrow, besides having the skill enhancements. One very important aspect I would like to share with the students who are aspirants for any type of management programs, that their target should not be on the very first day on the placements. I have seen that that's very myopic view by the students to only base their decisions to take admissions in the different institutions based on the placement data of last 1 year or 2 year or whatever is the case. I must say that the students' focus should be on the skill enhancement and value additions, because I believe strongly, and we have seen in the past, that the placement is a byproduct of the whole system, the byproduct of 2 years of rigor, which the students are going through in terms of the academic excellence, in terms of the global interface, in terms of the corporate interactions, in terms of the lots and lots of academic inputs which are offered in our campus and the extracurricular activities they engage themselves in. So student-centric activities which are designed in our campus are the unique feature because of which students believe they become so confident in facing the corporate sector. So our role, I believe, as the management education providers is to prepare students for the final placements. And the placement final as a result is a byproduct of those 2 years of rigor. That's what I would like to understand students to change their perspective in terms of the management education. It is broader and it is much beyond that, the first job of their life. So the focus of most of the students is in general the first job of their life, which sometimes become very myopic focus in their life. So I would suggest them broaden their perspective, think big and dream big. I'm sure they can fly higher in that case.